You bet. Shotgun Sundays is 3 of them. One for you. Thank you. One for you. Did you drink it? She gonna get using this camera all slow. And one for me. Shotgun Sunday, I got my best friend in the pew. I got my wife in the building, and this is the bravest Cowboys game, and as of now. What didn't she say she wasn't gonna do so much? She said she was gonna talk my trash, and it's happening. Alright, so the way we're gonna do it is, she's gonna poke her key towards the end of the can, alright? You bring his hand up, you drink it, and you open his mouth. And I'm getting, that's how it is. I felt my first scene, you know, it's a person, huh? She's not. Look at her. I'm not. She's gonna, and it's a race, so those oh shit. I'm not doing that, huh? No. Is yours open? Oh, look at the stand. Look at the stand here. Look at the stand. Go down first. What? Fine, you gotta start drinking. Look at this guys. Oh shit. Stay, ain't finished. I can't do it. I cannot do it. She tried. I died. Pretty one. See, so what's this victory turns up Ravens winning. Thank you for Ned's Hap with us next shotgun Sunday, baby. Right.